Hey everybody, real quick, wanted to give a quick market update. The market stats for July in Austin just came out. And when we talk about market stats, we're talking about the real estate market and really what's going on in the real estate market. So Austin is still a really hot market. That's obvious if you're out there looking for a house. Obviously, if you're selling your house, you're still getting lots of offers. People are still really interested in buying your house and probably going to pay over list price if you've listed it correctly. Pay attention to that. If you've listed it correctly and it looks great. That being said, you are not going to get somebody just to pay you anything way over list price for a house that's not listed correctly. Maybe it's listed too high and doesn't look very good. So pay attention to that if you're a seller. Real quick, we're going to go over the statistics here right now. So the median sales price in the Austin Round Rock MSA now is up to $480,000. That's great. That's up almost 40% from last year in July. July last year, of course, was right during the middle of COVID when things were starting to kick back off for the real estate industry. They'd been kicking back off in June, and in July we were really getting heated up. Closed sales are actually down compared to last July. So closed sales are down. 9% less homes sold this July, 2021, than sold last year in 2020. So what that tells you is, maybe this bull run we had all through last year's kind of worn some buyers out. People are not so interested in competing against multiple offers, waiving appraisal contingencies, waiving inspection contingencies, and bringing tons of extra cash to closing. That being said, if you were a seller, it's still a good time to sell. You just need to be realistic with your pricing compared to homes that are selling in your neighborhood, and you need to make it look great as a buyer. It's much easier right now to buy than it was, let's say, even last July. So we're talking about July this year compared to July last year. So, of course, homes are still selling quickly. Average days on market is 12. So from when you list your home to when you get an offer, average time's 12. That's up a little bit over the last few months, but that's still nothing on the market. So don't get nervous if you listed your home and you don't have an offer the first day. We're a little past that. More homes are being listed now. So we have 8% more listings this July compared to last July. And of course, compared to March and April of this year, that's up quite a lot. Active listings are up compared to March and April. So, we're getting more homes on the market. They're sitting on the market a little longer. Again, if you're a buyer, much, much, much easier to buy. Pending sales are actually down a little bit compared to last July. Again, people eased off the gas just a little bit here. Months of inventory is our best measure that we have to keep track of houses that are on the market. So months of inventory is saying this is how many houses are on the market at any one point in time, meaning if no more houses came on the market, this is how long they would take to sell. It's essentially what months of inventory is. We're up to 0.9 months. That's still way below a buyer's market. So a balanced market is considered to be 6 months. A buyer's market is over 6 months. A seller's market is under 6 months. We're at 0.9 months of inventory. So that's still down 0.8 months compared to last July. But compared to March this year, that's up more than 100%. We were down to 0.4 months in March. Now we're up to 0.9 months. It's gone up a little bit. So again, if you're a buyer, much, 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 much easier to buy now. But if you're a seller, you can still get a great price for your home. You just need to be realistic with your pricing. You need to make it look great. Maybe spend a little money on it, make it look amazing. People are going to pay you a great price for your home. Thanks, guys.